Good morning, sun, the day has begun. Wake up, sleepyhead, rise and run. Brush your teeth, get dressed in haste. Breakfast time, no time to waste. Out the door we go, bags on our backs. Marching to school, no time to slack. Friends are waiting, teachers too. Excited for the day, brand new. School bells ring, it's time to learn. Books and stories, pages turn. Count to 10 and ABCs. Learning's fun, just wait and see. In the classroom, pencils glide, drawing pictures side by side. Colors, numbers, all in line. Everything is super fine. Recess time, let's jump and play. Running through the sunny day. Climbing, swinging, laughing loud. Feeling like we're on a cloud. Back to studies after fun. Writing tasks, they make us strong. Words and